if you connected CloudWatch to Coralogix and you want to lower the CloudWatch cost to as low as possible, there are a few things you can do. So the first thing you can do is I have an example of a log group here. If you go to Actions and then Edit Retention Setting, you can set the retention for as low as a day. This lower retention setting is going to mean that you have far fewer costs. Unfortunately, Amazon doesn't let you go lower than a day, but a day is pretty good. And it just means that you aren't paying for anything that you don't need, especially if you're pushing everything through CloudWatch and then, for example, through Firehose. However, if a day isn't low enough for you, another option you've got is that you can use something like OpenTelemetry and integrate directly. So on the Coralogix website, we have tutorials for things like ECS, EC2, we have Lambda layers and much more, which will push directly to Coralogix and skip CloudWatch entirely, meaning you can just disable the logs and the metrics as needed. This is really powerful actually because it also means you get access to the full OpenTelemetry configuration, and it makes your application integration with Coralogix totally open source, which is really nice from the vendor lock-in perspective as well. So if you're looking to save costs, direct integration and lower CloudWatch retention, they will almost always lower the overall costs that you're experiencing in CloudWatch, often very significantly. And yeah, avoiding CloudWatch entirely is usually a better route, but if you have a lot of scale going on, then maybe you want to use Firehose and CloudWatch. That's absolutely fine. Lower the retention right down and keep things as simple as possible in CloudWatch so that you're getting all the value out of Coralogix without any additional cost in CloudWatch.